Hello, beautiful people, beautiful morning, afternoon, and evening, depending on the time you're watching this video. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you're seeing this channel or this space or any of my video for the first time, this is Jofia DIY. In today's video, I'll be making fenugreek leave on hair conditioner. The reason why I'm using fenugreek is that fenugreek contains proteins, nicotinic acid, which helps to strengthen hair follicles, prevent hair loss, promote hair growth, nourish and moisturize the hair. It reduces frizz, it makes the hair softer and smoother. Okay, what I just did is that I measured my fenugreek and I added warm water to it for the fenugreek to infuse into the water. Okay, so I'll state that and keep it aside. So I'll measure out my other ingredient. This is centrimonium chloride. Centrimonium chloride is a conditioning and anti-static property that helps detangle hair. It reduces frizz as well. It also makes hair feel smoother and silkier. However, it's important to know that some individuals may be sensitive to this centrimonium chloride. So if you have a sensitive scalp, okay, I bet maybe you may not add it. You can substitute it with other ingredients. All right, so another ingredient is Polyquat 7. I use Polyquat 7 here because it helps improve the manageability of hair. It reduces frizz as well, and it enhances shine and forming a thin film on the surface of the hair shaft. Okay, it also aids in detangling hair and providing a smooth hair texture. Then another ingredient is panthenol. Panthenol is also known as provitamin B5. I'm using it because it's moisturizing and it strengthens the hair. It also improves the hair elasticity. It reduces split ends. For those that are having split ends, panthenol is also good for you to add in your hair product, hair conditioner or hair shampoo. Okay, it adds shines to the hair. It retains moisture. It can also help in soothing and repairing damaged hair. Okay, so what I did is that I have infused my fenugreek for like 15 minutes. So I've sieved it. I've taken the quantity of water I'll be needing. Okay, just put your eye on the screen. That is the quantity of the ingredients I have used. Okay, so sorry, something happened here. The part where I measured my oil phase, my earwax, my oil was cut off. It was cut off. Okay, so I've measured my oil phase, my earwax, my oils, anything that has to do with oil. I double boiled it and this is it. So I'm going to combine the oil phase and the water phase together. So I'm pouring in the water phase into the oil phase. I'm going to mix to create an emulsion. Then I'll allow it to cool down to a certain temperature. Then I will add the cool down ingredients. Okay, so I'm going to mix very well and leave it for it to cool down. Make sure that you mix very well. Okay, this is high requested video from some of my my YouTube subscribers and some of my online students. Okay, they requested for a leave-on hair conditioner. Okay, and I think there is a difference between leave-in hair conditioner and leave-on hair conditioner. Okay, so this is me checking the temperature, and it's, can you see the temperature? So I'll allow it to cool down to get down to 39 to 40 degrees Celsius before I will add my cool down ingredients. So this is me checking the pH. Of course, you need to check any pH, or you need to check the pH of any hydrous product you are making. Okay, depending on what the product you are making. If it's for hair, if it's for skin, you should know the pH that is suitable for the hair, for the skin, for the scalp, for the face, for anywhere you want to use it. All right, so this is the pH and it's just 5. Okay, and I'm okay with it. Okay, so when you learn how to adjust or adjust pH, if you understand what I'm talking about. I've actually made a video on pH, how to adjust pH, but the time to edit it, that's the problem. All right, so I'm checking the temperature again and it has cooled down to 39 degrees Celsius. So I'm going to add in the cool down ingredient, which is my vitamin E, my fragrance. If you don't want to use fragrance, you can use essential oil. Make sure that you're using essential oil that that will add benefits to your hair. Okay, you can use lavender essential oil, tea tree. There's so many essential oil, chamomile. There's so many essential oil that is good for the hair. Okay, and when it comes to hair care products or hair care class or hair care formulation, you need to know the hair type you're making a product for. Okay, if the product you're making is this suitable for low porosity or high porosity hair or normal porosity hair. Okay, that is why when I'm choosing any oil for any hair product, I will choose the oil that will be suitable for a hair porosity, a high porosity, and a normal porosity hair, because I don't know where the products might end up, going, who will end up like the end user. Okay, so that is it. So I've mixed other the cool down ingredients, my vitamin E, my fragrance, and I'll mix very well. Then this is it. I'm transferring it into a container. Now this is a leave-on hair conditioner cream. Okay, if you want to make a leave-on hair conditioner lotion, okay, you have to increase the quantity of water you're using, reduce your emulsifier, okay, or reduce your butter, make sure that it's more liquid like a lotion. Okay, but this is hair conditioner, leave on hair conditioner cream. All right, thank you everyone for always tuning in, watching my videos. I hope you're learning a lot from my free videos. Please, if this video is useful, is beneficial, please kindly give a like, leave a wonderful comment for me in the comment section. I'll do it to reply and send you a heart. Okay, so don't forget to also subscribe, but you turning on the notification bell won't be bad, so that you get notified anytime I post any tutorial or video. Okay, so this is it. Please kindly share this video to reach to those that may need to make their leave on hair conditioner or start their leave on hair conditioner journey. So this is my hair. Okay, I'm going to, this is how it's being applied. You apply it on your hair and leave it. You don't wash it off, because that is why it's leave on hair conditioner. You wash it off on your next washing day. Okay, when it comes to hair care and skin care, in fact, the teaching, the knowledge is vast. I thank everyone for always watching. I will surely see you in my next video, and bye for now.